When you're giving a PowerPoint presentation, it can be really handy to have notes with the slide at the top, and all your notes are organized per slide. So let's look at how you do that. So I've got a PowerPoint presentation here, and at the bottom of the slide view, I have click to add notes. Those are the speaker notes. You can put your mouse between the slide and the notes. It turns into a two-headed arrow, and you can drag it up if you want to type more. And these notes are just for this slide. So if I go to the next slide, you can see that notes are unique. Okay. You can also print these notes out. You can view these notes and print them out. And I can go up to the top to view. You see I've got outline view, which is more of a view with all the text at the side, slide sorter view. Then I have notes page. Now this notes page, I can actually click in and keep typing. So if I'm creating a presentation where I'm actually going to talk for different slides, then I will use this view to put more detailed notes in. This view you can customize. You can just select, say, the top and then make the bottom bigger. Okay, if you need more space for notes. And then your master views show how it's going to look for all of them. If I go to use the scroll bar or the roller ball on the mouse, you can see that it shows the whole thing. But I've only changed this first slide. If I wanted them all to change in one go, use the NotesMaster. So the NotesMaster is kind of like the template for this presentation, for this view. And I can go in here, that's it, make it a bit bigger, close my view, and then all my other slides. The first one, because I customized that, it hasn't done it, okay? What I need to do is I can't reset this view because this isn't the slide view, right? You can see, yeah. So try to reset, or sorry, try to change the master before you start tweaking little slides, okay? Right, and as I said, if I go up to view, you can see I've got my notes page. I can go back to normal, have the outline view, etc. Okay, if I want to print the notes pages, I go up to File and Print. And then it says, print what? There we go. It says, print all slides. Okay, custom range, etc. Now, this is the one that is really important. It's the print what? What are you printing? Full page slides, notes, outline. You can also print handouts for people, slides with paper to write notes beside, just 2 sheets. And I gotta be honest, I actually use these ones myself. If I want to look through my whole presentation and I don't want to print 1 slide per page, I do use this. But up here you do have that notes page, and it does put all of the text that you had written on there. So if you wanted to give these out to people with notes already on them, instead of using them for your speaker notes, you can actually put on the handout notes if you want. Just an idea. So there's some tips on how to use speaker notes. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. It actually does help my channel. And if you have any suggestions for topics I can cover, do type those in the notes. And also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.